So guys, welcome. আজি মই দেখুৱাব বিচাৰিছো যে this is the map and this is the ship right there. আমি যোৱাকালি ওলাইছো day 1 from Southampton. এতিয়া আমি Bay of Biscay পালো. So these dark blue patches are the deepest. So it's just a small island but beautiful Portuguese island, Ponta Delgada. We sail from Southampton and all the way there. So dear friends, once again I'm back to collect some magnets, and yes, today we are at Azores. Azores is famous for whales, dolphins, especially famous for sperm whales. All year round you can spot whales here in this island in the middle of the ocean of Atlantic. And yes, these are the magnets. That's 250 euros. And I'm looking for some good ones. Let's check out what we have.
Yeah, you have pineapples, you have the tails of the whales. No, nothing with Portugal garden, just São Miguel.
Never mind.
But you are in São Miguel.
I know, we've got San Miguel. Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know if you want some.
Okay, got this São Miguel.
Red Bull.
I got my magnet in São Miguel. So this is a small island in the Atlantic. I'm almost halfway through, like 30% I guess we have sailed. We have still a long way to go, 8 more days. And yeah, we are in this beautiful island of São Miguel. And we just docked today after 3 days of cruise. And there's lovely fish over there. Let me show you the fish. Wow, look at the fish. Can you see it? Woo. Wow. People are swimming. And that's our ship, Anthem. And there's small places to eat. Burger King. And I got my fridge magnet from here. So guys, মই আছো আজি São Miguel, Ponta Delgada. It's a small island in between of Portugal. It's just inside, like middle of the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. And we are crossing the Atlantic Ocean. We're going from UK to US. Nice water, clean, fresh. So we have started this journey on 17th of October, and then we'll be reaching on 29th of October. And yeah, this is a beautiful island. I didn't thought that this would be so beautiful, and this is really beautiful. They are for rent. Grab and go. There's vending machines. You have this snacks, drinks, whatever you want. You can rent these cars, bikes. Scooters, and then yeah, you can hop around the place. And if you want to do snorkeling, diving, Azores is famous for diving and for all the marine lives, the whales, the dolphins, all the fish and everything you can spot here. You know, it's beautiful. You must do this whenever you are in Azores or in this island, Ponta Delgada. So this is the island, and you can do a lot of activities here: hiking, riding, diving, snorkeling. They say we get to see a lot of whales and dolphins and all the stuff here. Yeah, this is the island. Whale watching is somewhat 60 euros if you want to go and watch some whales. Beautiful ride. Beautiful place. Dear friends, I went out for a walk and to eat something, and it seems to be a very peaceful, very tranquil place also. People were very friendly, very calm, and the atmosphere is really beautiful. Let's try some kebabs. If you want to enjoy ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this kebab now. I've ordered for me one beer and one kebab. It's really good, I heard. Like that. Let's see. Let's try. Yeah, everything. Wow, looks yummy. It is. Ooh, mamma mia, that looks delicious. Bring it on, bring it on. Give me more of this. Wow. Obrigado. Thank you. All right, look at this. Yeah. Cheers. This thing is really nice. The chicken is nicely grilled. The bread is nice. The onions, carrots, tomatoes, everything is so nice. Also the sauce is a bit spicy, but very tasty. Let's have it. This is really good, thank you.
Thank you very much.
I might try it one more. Dear friends, enjoying the kebab to the fullest, sitting at a harbor in this beautiful island of Ponta Delgada, Azores, and enjoying my food, watching the view, beautiful weather. What else I could ask for? Amazing experience, bro. Yeah, almost done. Amazing stuff, amazing. Loved it. Just I paid like 3 euros, that's it. To enjoy this food, just sitting in the middle of Atlantic in this beautiful small island. Wow. Never imagined in my life. This is a dream, I'm living it. Living the dream. Dear friends,
So whales and dolphins of Azores. So this is all the species of dolphins you get to see in this island. Blue whale, sperm whale, humpback whale, killer whales, dolphins. It's a huge, species of mammal life you can see here.
So friends, that is it for today, and it's a small walk around in the city, in the town, in the island, just in the middle of the Atlantic. It's a very beautiful island. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Time to go back. And yeah, I'll go back to my ship. I am back. It's my friend Jackson. Goa. Goa. সুন্দৰ অনুভৱ ইমান ধুনীয়া এটা আইলেণ্ড I am so happy আহিব মন যোৱা নাছিলে return but what to do I have to report to my work yeah that's life we're here to work so yeah and that's my cabin enjoying a nice cup of coffee look at the rainbow wow it's just right in the middle of the town. Woo. Beautiful. So distinct.
So friends, finally after so many days we have crossed the Atlantic Ocean and almost Halifax and then Boston, then Camp Liberty, that is in New Jersey. And then we will be sailing in the Bahamas, the Caribbean. We'll be going to Coco Cay, and it's time to move on from Halifax.
Halifax, Nova Scotia in Canada. Let's go and walk around the streets. So after 8 days, land. Halifax, Canada, nice weather. Okay, let's go and see what they have over there.
That I used to go to with them.
Okay, let me show you the places where you can buy souvenirs, jackets, magnets, shocks, towels, and jewelry, pins. A lot of souvenirs from Nova Scotia, Canada. Beautiful socks. Let me show you something. So these are bags. I like this one. Alright, so you can customize, you can design this. Nice. And time to collect some magnet. Nova Scotia. Looks good. Sorry. Got this one. So I got this magnets. Nova Scotia. This is metallic. This is $3 Canadian. $6, $4. Okay, let's take this. I have a number plate also here. $5. Thanks Ocean Playground. Souvenir.
Should have tabs.
Too easy sometimes.
Okay, ma'am.
Oops.
Oops.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Any discount for buying 3 magnets?
Oh, there you go. 6. There you go. 660 is going to be your change.
Thank you.
Thank you. So many.
All right. Halifax Harbor Walk. Okay, so everything is given here: dining, shopping, hiking, playground, wherever you want to go, public washroom. Pink bus. I heard that the lobster is very nice here. Also, we have the Indian restaurants, the Taj Mahal or something like that. So beautiful. Oh, small fish. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, let me go this way. The cruise ship here, that's Norwegian Pearl. Okay, hi friends. Yeah, so I'm looking for Atlantic Superstore. It's somewhere around. Nice, lovely weather. Cold, foggy. You can see. The time right now is 12:20. 12:20 in the afternoon. The weather is nice, 16 to 18 degrees. You can walk around with a t-shirt or a hoodie. Also, if you wish, you can wear a jacket. Walking down. It's a nice, lovely walk. Blue bus of Nova Scotia. Let's cross the street. Let's go across. Across. Over this side, this way. Crossing this town. Okay. I think this is a maple leaf. Seafood.
Something to go with your afternoon tea or coffee? Okay. Farmer's Market locates. Whole or sliced, $4.99. Artisan rolls, $5.99. Each 12s. And President's Choice flatbread or pizza crust starting from $2.89. and make regular in stores.
Wow, live lobsters.
So delicious. Plain croissants, package of 6. Members price $3. Non-members $4.
Grab. So this is my shopping for the day. I got bhujia, bhel puri, Indian snacks. So jam ke daba ke lo. Noodles. Got some kurkure. Mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, this is my snack. And the fall of maple leaves. Look at the beautiful tree, beautiful color. So dear friends, first time I have witnessed the maple tree and I loved it, the color, it's so beautiful. And this is it from Halifax. I need to go now, and tomorrow we'll be sailing again. We'll be reaching Boston in 2 days, and then after that New Jersey, Bayonne, and then New York. All right, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned, and let me know if you have anything, any suggestions for me or any questions. All right, take care. Bye bye. এতিয়া আজি আমি আহি পালো Boston. This is the live video footage from the ship, Boston, America. Nice weather, 17 degrees Celsius. Thursday, October 27. It's been 10 days now from Southampton to Ponta Delgada, then Halifax, and today we are at Boston, and we'll be going to New Jersey, Bayonne, New Jersey, New York, Cape Liberty. Yeah, we would be able to see the New York Statue of Liberty standing at the harbor. We are sailing away from New York. That's the Statue of Liberty. Next time, for sure, I'll go there. Manhattan Bridge.